Lekemolinu labai graži pavardė. Ir nusprendėme juos pasikviesti draugę. Na, šiais metais taip nutiko, kad nusprendėme važiuoti su dviem broliais. Brolių tėvukas atvažiuoja ir praeitį žymiausias turbūt pilotas čia startuojantis. Startuoja dėl to, kad iš Sebastiano yra girdėjęs, kad praėjusiais metais, kad yra tikrai geros lenktynės. Jam yra įdomu tai patikrinti. Ir iš tiesų čia tikrai yra geras laikas, dėl to mes visi čia ir esame.
Turbūt būtų juokinga klausti apie tikslą.
Kaip visada mes atvažiuojam padaryti geriausia, ką galim. Šeštadienį vakare mes turėsim atsakymą. Ir žinau, kad komanda yra stipri, technika yra paruošta, bet aš žinau, kaip būna.
I drove the race last year and it was such a nice experience. Yeah, we could make a good lineup of drivers for this year again with my brother. So I think we were really strong. And last year we had a technical issue, and this year I think we want to win it, and I think we have a good possibility to do it.
For which car you would bet? For this one, which you are also preparing, or for that one, what you are going to drive?
It's tough to say. I think both cars are competitive, and it will be a hard fight. But we have to talk about some team orders. But I think we can manage it.
So is gonna be some team orders or no?
I don't know yet, but no, I think they're all professional drivers, and yeah, we can handle it, and also the guys from that car can handle it, and I think it's good to work together as a team and beat all the others.
What about your dad? How did he decide to go here?
Oh, I told him this is a race you must do it at least once in a lifetime, and he said immediately, yes, I want to do it.